The first impression of the MSP844 is one of clean functionality. Meross packages it like a serious home infrastructure product rather than a gadget. Everything about the presentation suggests stability and purpose. This is meant to live permanently in your workspace, entertainment center, or smart living room setup. Inside the box, the experience is refreshingly simple. The strip itself is the centerpiece, accompanied by documentation and the essential setup guidance. Meross also includes the quick start materials that emphasize how Matter devices are meant to work. Scan the code, connect through your platform of choice, and avoid the complexity that has traditionally made smart home accessories feel intimidating. The Meross MSP844 Matter Smart Fast Charging Power Strip feels like the kind of upgrade that makes immediate sense in daily use. It combines fast USB charging, 4 dependable sockets, Matter-enabled cross-platform automation, strong local security, and serious safety design into one clean, modern power solution. For anyone building a Matter smart home or simply wanting a smarter, safer, and more future-proof way to manage power on a desk or in the living room, the MSP844 is an easy and highly practical recommendation.